Welcome back to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today we will be making some charcuterie platter. And the reason I say platter because it's not a board. We're going to do a charcuterie platter. Traditionally, charcuterie is a very traditional thing. It's served in a lot of restaurants and bars, especially in France, in Europe, and also in many restaurants you go to now. These days, you can get charcuterie platters and plates and boards everywhere. So let's start off with the cheese. Everyone loves cheese. Okay. All right. Some cheese. So we have some goat cheese, herb and garlic goat cheese. And this is a $50 charcuterie board. Put the goat cheese first. One piece of goat cheese. Oh, it's crumbling, but you know what? That's okay. Rustic platter. Okay. Goat cheese. Okay, so we have one little piece there. A few chunks there. As I said, this is a rustic platter. Nothing too fancy. 2-year-old aged cheddar. Yummy. We just sliced it all up. So we're just going to toss it in our platter. I want to do something with the meat, so we'll put it on the other side. Like so. Yeah, in the restaurants we always would do creative little platters and little fun little cheese. Oh, yeah, cool. Cheese. There we go. 2-year-old aged cheddar. Some local raspberries. This is really cool. I saw this cool brie. I thought it was just going to be like a regular brie, but it has chili in there. So it's a kicked out brie. Chop some brie. Brie. Okay. Brie. Okay. Chili brie. I think we gotta get the meat out. We got a nice trio of charcuterie stuff. So we have some prosciutto, capocollo, one of my favorite ones. Prosciutto, awesome too. And mortadella. So prosciutto Cotto. So it's more of a smoky style prosciutto. Roll some of this prosciutto Cotto up. It's quite tasty. With charcuterie platters or boards, you can be like totally creative and like do your own sort of thing. Make them look all pretty. These are really good with, traditionally good with wine, beer, Bombay if you like, whichever. If you have a beverage to go with it, it's always good. That's cool. Have fun. Be creative. Mortadella. Alright. Let's see what we can do with this. Yeah, I think I'm going to do the mortadella kind of this style. So I guess Beaumont's kitchen is turning into everything. But you know what? I just want to see what's going to stick and what works and what doesn't work. So I'm just I'm going crazy with all kinds of stuff. But working in restaurants, I just have this thing for charcuterie boards, so I thought I'd show you that. It's pretty exciting, pretty cool. Definitely a butcher thing for sure. Charcuterie boards, yeah, totally. Now some capocollo. Nice capocollo. That's good. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Some nice local raspberries. Toss some of those on there. Oh, put a couple here, a couple there. Boom. That looks pretty. I think some cherry tomatoes. Why not? Chop them in half. A little bit of pepper. Sea salt. Tomatoes don't come seasoned. Season them all up. Tomatoes around the platter. A few there. Here. Got a little condiment section there. Got some more local blueberries. Do some of those. Make it look pretty. Something, you know. Oh yeah, a few more raspberries on there. What the heck, you know? Have this thing for berries. Mustard. Some nice grainy mustard. That. There. Saskatoon berry jam. You gotta serve her with this, man. This is good stuff here. I'm not done yet. Hell no. I won't go. Alright. Normally you could serve it with gherkins, but pickles will work. everyone's got pickles around, right? I'm thinking, what do I put there? I'm thinking Thai chili because it'll really go good with the cheese. So yeah, and it's a little sweet, right? So that's perfect. Nice sausage chimper jam. That. Take some blueberries. Blueberries. Like so. Boom. Voila. Nice little bowl. Okay, now crackles. Oh, well, that's fine. Serve like that. Voila. There you have it, the Beaumont style charcuterie board. Nice. These charcuterie boards, you can just, or platters, whatever you prefer to call them. You can be creative. I just did this like had no plan for this, and I just made it beautiful, and that's all what food is about. So make it pretty. Drink some wine with it. Drink some Pompeii with it. Beer, whiskey, whatever you like. So like definitely a good snack. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya. See you again.